Hi everyone, I've got some fantastic news. The UK government have announced in their autumn statement a mortgage bailout for homeowners. Wow, now surely that is fantastic news. Now those of you who know about this already may think, well, I'm not so sure. But look, I'm reading the UK's government autumn statement here. And on page 49, paragraph 5.16, okay, it clearly states that it's going to offer a mortgage bailout. Now, what does this really mean? Well, in real terms, what it means is the government are going to give you money to help you pay for your mortgage interest. Now, they guarantee to give you that money, whether it's directly or through a bank is my guess. But the thing is this, they're going to secure that loan against your property. So it does mean that you're going to have an extra loan on top of your mortgage, okay? But you can use that to avoid maybe repossession and help you get maybe through a difficult time. That has got to be good news, surely. However, what I also believe is this, okay? The reason why the government have done this, and it's quite clever, is because they don't want repossessions to increase because that'll damage the economy. And not only that, it could damage the housing market and scare people and so on. So this is their way of preventing, if you like, or avoiding repossessions increasing to keep the market or to stabilize the market. I think in some ways that is really clever and a good thing. But on the other hand, it does mean that maybe homeowners are going to incur additional debt to overcome the difficulty. But that being said, it might be a short-term fix. And if you know somebody who is maybe, undergoing a repossession order or whatever, share this information with them because it's highly likely they don't even know about it. So within the government autumn statement, okay, on page 49, I'm reading it here, page 49, paragraph 5.16, this is what it says. It's only a small paragraph. Okay, I just don't get why they're not publicizing this. So, reforming support for mortgage interest, okay, homeowners, okay, to support mortgage borrowers with rising interest rates, which is what we're obviously incurring, the government will allow those on universal credit to apply, okay, to apply for a loan to help with interest repayments after 3 months instead of 9 months. Now, I'm guessing what they mean is there, after 9 months of getting in arrears, after 3 months of getting in arrears, you can apply for this rather than 9 months. So that's going to avoid the risk of maybe your house going to be repossessed. So it goes on to say the government will also abolish the zero earnings rule to allow claimants to continue receiving support while in work and on universal credit. This will come into effect in spring 2023. Now, the timing of that is quite good because when you think about it, we're all going through, the cost of living increases and fuel increases and so on. And the impact of that is probably going to kick in early 2023. And that's when people then can't afford to maybe pay their mortgages. So this benefit or this offer, this mortgage bailout offer has got to be good news, okay? So if you do know somebody who is maybe going to be facing repossession, please share this information with them. Now, avoiding repossessions means it will hopefully stabilize the housing market and create confidence, but also it will help the economy to grow a little bit quicker. And again, that is good news. Now, you may agree or disagree. Some people might say it's another way of the government, getting involved in your seizing your assets or whatever. I don't know. But the answer for me on a short-term basis is those who are suffering, okay, and struggling to pay their mortgage, this could certainly help them. Now, why the government haven't announced in their autumn statement this paragraph publicly, unless I've missed something, I just don't get it. Because where you can help people, why not advertise this fact? So anyway, I hope this video will spread globally because at the end of the day, or maybe not globally, but throughout the UK, so I hope it'll help people. Anyway, I hope you found this, this video useful. This is the type of thing we like to advertise and share with people because it can help you grow and prosper. And at the end of the day, we're all suffering, we're all going through difficult times, so this is bound to be some good news. And if you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And trust me, I will be sharing more information, advice, tips and tricks so that we can help you grow and prosper. So until next time, ciao for now.